So this tutorial is just showing you how you can actually import your doors into Revit architecture. So let's just go into it. So you can just go to your ground floor level, and since we can see where we have our doors, we can just click on DR for the shortcut of doors, or you come to this door here, and let's just make the interior doors now. So we can click on the edit. We change the height of the door to 2100, and we change the width to 900. So let's click on OK, and let's just put the interior doors now so you can enjoy the time lapse. So since we are done importing our doors, then we can just go to the 3D to see what we've been importing. And so we can see that now we have doors at the back of the drawing and stuff like that. So the next tutorial now is how to create the concrete fascia. So I'm gonna be showing you how to create the concrete fascia, and I'm gonna be showing you how to create your roof, which is just the last thing in the tutorial. So I want you guys to stick and watch the video. Make sure you subscribe into the channel and keep learning. So ask any question in the comment section below, and that is just it.